Dance, dance, dance.
Oh!
Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance like you got ants in your pants. Whoa.
Are you making your name on the wall? Are you making your name? Yes, good.
What's it start with? What does your name start with? C. C, yeah.
C-H. A. R. Yeah, on your bum, yeah. I'm on my bum. I'm on my bum. Nana. Nana be out shortly. She's getting her bum cleaned. Her bum was dirty, full of poo. It's funny if she calls her Nana, isn't it?
Yeah, wow.
Yeah?
Wow.
Wow.
Yes.
Up? Why? What do you want me up for?
Say please, Charlotte.
Okay, up. Oh,
Charlotte?
I just want to bring my bum over here.
Did you say please? Good girl.
Now what? You want me to put my bum over here? Okay. Oh, Alma's legs are stiff. Oh. May I have some yellow chalk, please? Please? Yeah, yellow. Yes, yay! That's the right one, thank you. I'll make the sun as white you have here. Just make the sun. Now, shall we make a face? Yes, okay. Face is going to have 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth.